Dear viewers, today I'm gonna show you how you can activate Microsoft Office software. I have Microsoft Office 2016 software. It was not activated. I have activated it a few minutes ago with a very easy process. Now I am going to show you how I have activated. See this? My product is activated and it's Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016. But remember, you have to be connected with internet to complete all the process. So let's start. At first you have to open a browser in your PC, any kind of browser. Then type bit.ly/office 2016 txt OFFICE office 2016 txt. Then press enter. Here we can see a page. We have to copy all the text except null. Remember, except null, copy all the text in this page. Copy and then create a new text document in your desktop. Open it, then paste it. Paste the text here. Then now click on File, click on Save As, select Desktop, change the name of the file. That's why you can find it easily. You can use any name. I'm using MS 2016 Activator. Now change the format of the file. Remove txt and type cmd. See that? I have changed the format of the file and then click on Save. After doing this, we have an command prompt script, Windows command script. Here you can see this. Click on right button and run as administrator. This process will happen automatically, but remember, you have to be connected with internet. I repeat again, you have to be connected with internet to complete all the process. It will take a bit of time. My work has been done. My product has been activated. You can see product activation successful. Now close it. Let's check. Open Microsoft Word. Go to File, then Account. It's easiest way I have seen by which you can activate your Microsoft Office software. If you find the process useful for yourself, share this with your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us. Goodbye. See you later.